Hi guys, first of all very congratulations to all of you for qualifying class 10th examination. Now you are in class 11th and today I am going to discuss 5 important points that will help you in further 2 years, that is class 11th and 12th. Let me start with the basic intro, which is this class 11th. Class 11th is not same as class 10. There is a lot of difference in class 11th and 12th, which I am going to tell you later. Now starting with point number 1, which is a friend are the most important part in class 11th and 12th because they plays a role more important than your teacher. Yes, I am right. Now the other point is very short. Number 1, that is make a small circle of very good friends. You will realize what I am saying after 2 years, right? Now coming toward point number 2, which is trust me, being a backbencher is not cool enough, right? All you see this is on a social media, that's a myth. Just try to sit on front benches because the front bench students are directly connected to the teacher and the board, what teacher is studying, what teacher is teaching, what teacher wants to tell you. That's very clear there, right? Now there is a psychological fact that is teachers tends to like the first benchers, the front benchers, more than that of the back benchers, right? So as far we discussed about the teacher, so upcoming point is about, let me be very honest with you, getting a very cooperative and helpful teacher in class 11th and 12th, basically in school, is like once in a blue moon. That means it's very rare. Yeah, the teacher will teach you, he will complete his duty, his work, whatever. You have to cooperate with teachers, you have to deal with it, you have to be very nice with teachers. I told you earlier, just sit on first benches. It will have a great impact on teachers eye, that will encourage your image, your picture in the teacher's brain, right? Now coming towards point number 4, which is, if you are a science student, no matter what subject you have, physics, chemistry, math, biology, whether you are preparing for JEE or NEET, no, nothing matters, right? What matters is you have to be practical. Coming 2 years is not going to be that easy, right? So whenever you get free time in school, basically in school, yeah, you will get a lot of free time in class 11 12th, both in the school, right? So whenever you get a free time in school, just pull up your books, any subject, physics, chemistry, math, biology, and start solving problems, revising the chapter, what you studied last night, what you studied today, and what will you study. Anything that will really help you, and also it will motivate your friend, your circle. Let me come to the point number 5, which is how much time I should study, right? This is the question which comes in every student mind, that whether I required 4 hours a day, I required 6 hours a day, 8 hours a day, right? Just go for maximum, as it will be very beneficial for you. Now I personally prefer quality over quantity. I want to say that whenever you study, just be focused, be concentrated and study, right? Whenever you are not focused, not concentrated, your mind is going here and there, then there is not a profit of study. So these were the 5 points which I think you should know very well. But you came up to here. Now there is a bonus tip for you. Make your home environment like your siblings, elder or younger, will have to say I also should study, because my brother, my sister is studying for 8 hours, for 4 hours, for 5 hours continuously, and this will lead to a very great impact on them. And your parents could say, leave the studies, come, let's watch TV and go outside and play some time, take some rest. And trust me, that compliment will give you much better feeling than any other compliment, right? These were the 5 points which I wanted to share it with you. Now if you like it, then drop a like, share it with your friend circle, your classmates, and comment also whatever you feel while watching this video. Thank you.